guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and life hack videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Happy Halloween, guys! If you can't tell, I'm very in the Halloween spirit. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I am reviewing a whole bunch of face masks, specifically face masks from Walmart. I decided to do this video because I was at Walmart just staring at a massive wall of face masks. If you have been to Walmart lately, you will know that face masks are very in and they just have like rows and rows of them and it's a little bit overwhelming. The next thing I know, like 2 hours has gone by and I'm still standing there staring at like $2 face masks. So I just splurged and I went and I bought a whole bunch of them. So I was actually at a client site in Texas. So as you'll see in the video, most of the clips have been shot from a hotel room. So I really apologize about any of the lighting. I'm gonna insert a picture here of all the different products that I've used. I will also leave a link in the description below to everything. Leave a comment below letting me know if you like these types of videos, if you want me to do more of them, what other things you would like me to review or try or buy. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I just washed my face. I took off all of my makeup and I put on some of this Clear Pore Cleanser Mask by Neutrogena, and I have just a few spots that are breaking out, and since this is like an intensive mask, I do not want to put it all over my face because I don't want my face to dry out. I'm just putting it on some of like the problem areas, as you can see. So I'm just gonna let this sit on. It says do not leave on for more than 5 minutes. This is just a quick spot treatment, but I just wanted to let you know every single step that I'm doing in this treatment, and this is step one. Next up is the Charcoal Clay Bubble Mask. This one is an oxygen bubbling mask, an invigorating clay mask infused with the powerful purifying benefits of active biotin charcoal and oxygen to refine and refresh pores. When oxygen bubbles start to foam, gently massage in using the fingertips from the nose. Keep on no more than 3 minutes. Oh, it's bubbling. Oh, do you see the bubbles? And then when the bubbles come and you push them out, they pop. This is interesting. I will say that. I've never seen anything like this. I don't know, the texture, it's very silky. It actually feels kind of really nice. The bubbles keep coming back too. Look at it, they just keep coming back. It's cool. Okay, so I know that you guys can't actually tell because of the camera, but I will say my pores are actually visibly smaller after that one. Thumbs up on this charcoal clay bubble mask. I would highly recommend it. Next up is this Sue Peel and Glow 2-step mask. So I'm thinking that you put on this peeling stuff and you just put it on, massage it in, wash it off, and then you follow it up with the mask. So I guess we open up this and we massage this into the skin and then wash it off. Oh, okay, this is definitely an exfoliator. Ooh, I can totally feel my skin coming off with this. So you can definitely tell the difference between like when you first start doing exfoliator and like versus like your skin. Like my skin it's peeling. See like these chunks? I'm pretty sure that's all dead skin cells because that was not like this when it came out. So I don't know if it's a reaction that causes the stuff to gel up or if it's actually peeling the skin. Either way, it's kind of cool. Okay, so we just finished step one and we are going to start step two. So I'm gonna open this up and put on this sheet mask and keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, I'm sorry, but there's just no way to make sheet masks sexy. This has been 20 minutes and I'm taking off this sheet mask. So step two, it smells kind of lemony, almost like pine solly. I'm not a fan of that. So I loved the peel part of that. I don't know that the mask felt like anything really special. I mean, so far, just for step one was really nice. My skin looks great in the mirror. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's very shiny. Much better than when I started. So that was the Peel and Glow mask. And I would recommend this because if anything for the peel part, and then I'm sure you want to definitely follow up with the mask. To be honest, I don't really like how the sheet mask made my skin feel afterwards. It feels kind of like almost a little bit sticky and it's a little thicker. Okay, so I just quick rinsed off my face. My face actually feels a lot better now that I took off that top layer. It feels like soft and smooth underneath without having, I don't think I have like any layer of anything on top. So we are going to continue with this face mask, and it says that it is a 2-part mask. Okay, let's put this stuff on. So I guess we put on this little bit. It smells pretty good, but it also smells cheap at the same time. I don't know how else to describe that, if we're being honest. This stuff's so weird. God, it looks like bologna. Okay. Okay, actually, like, this feels so cool putting this on. I don't know if my nose is supposed to stick through it like that. This is so funny, guys. All right, I'm gonna go lay down for like 30 minutes. So that's this mask. This is so creepy. It's like a worse nightmare. Couple things about that one. I definitely felt my skin like getting colder sometime in the middle of it, and I definitely felt it doing some stuff. I'm not sure if it's clogging my pores at all because a couple parts of my face are a little bit itchy right now, but it could just be because I put on a whole bunch of different masks, you know, at the same time. So don't know if I should like rinse this off or what, but I didn't start feeling like this till right now. So maybe I'm gonna go rinse it off. Hopefully. Oh my gosh, guys, it just keeps getting worse. I'm allergic to something. I mean, it could be something else, but that's definitely an allergic reaction. Great. Good morning, guys. So it is now the next day. Actually, I woke up and I didn't have any signs of having an allergic reaction, and my skin feels so nice. It feels like it's really smooth and it feels deeply moisturized, which it has not in a while. And it wasn't greasy or anything. I was like really surprised. But I definitely think that some of my acne that I was having last night started clearing up. I was having some really like light, fine bumps developing way underneath my skin, and I don't really see them anymore. Like, just, they're definitely better than what they were. So we are back in my hotel, and this is a completely different week. So when I was filming the earlier part of this video, I just went to Walmart, I was looking around, I picked out some products and tried them, and that's the section that you just saw before. While I was filming and doing all that, I was also posting on my Instagram, and I'll leave my tag right here. I was posting the whole thing in real time and tagging the company called Sue. I think that's how you say it. Sorry guys if I'm saying that wrong. And they said, you know, thanks a lot for trying our products. And then I reached out to them saying that, hey, I'm making just a general face video. Do you have any products that you could recommend? And so they sent me these 3 packets to try, and I'll just include them in this video. Okay, so this is the Glacier Water Moisture Plumping Mask. It's made out of like this medical grade gauze, and it does feel really nice. It's supposed to be cooling, and it definitely feels cooling. God, sheet masks are not sexy at all. So this is the perfect mask to do after workout. So I actually do recommend this one. I didn't think it was gonna do too much. It says it's plumping, I don't know. Time out. So I just got really close to the mirror, and I noticed that a lot of my pores aren't showing as much. I don't know how to describe it, but it is definitely more plump. So I do actually recommend this stuff. Try it out for yourself. Let me know what you think. Hey guys, so we are back. This is night 2. So tonight I am going to try the Revive Gold Sleeping Mask and also a collagen lip plump. You can see there's like little flakes of gold in there, and so we're gonna take this and put it on. It feels really nice. It's very thick and smooth. So you're supposed to put it on your face and neck. Ooh, I think I'm gonna have a lot left over. It feels really nice going on. Ooh, I'm feeling something. It's thick, but not in like a bad way thick. Like, it doesn't feel greasy, more like a gel. It's really smooth. Okay, well that is on. Now we're gonna try out the lip plump. And what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take just a washcloth. Oh, this is gross. I'm gonna like buff my lips so that I can get all like the extra dead skin off. Dead skin is off, lips are ready to go. I wonder, does it matter which way it goes? Oh, it's slippy. I'm gonna go lay down. Okay, so I just took off the lip treatment, and it actually worked like really well. After buffing them and putting that on for about 15 minutes, they are way nicer and way softer. It's like instant. I don't know if you can tell, but they were so bad. It was so bad before, but it's so much better.
And also, so I came back and I put another coat or two of this on, and I do feel like it's doing something. Like my skin just looks really good in the mirror.
Hey guys, so I am finally back in my own apartment. It feels really good not to be in a hotel room. And we are going to try the last face mask. This is the Revitalizing Rose Petal Sheet Mask. Oh, that's interesting. When you pull it out, it looks like it's dirty. I'm gonna guess it's real rose petals in it. It looks gross, but it smells really good. I mean, it feels nice. It feels good. It smells amazing. I'm going to just lay here and chill out for 15 to 20 minutes and I will come back with the results. I definitely felt it tingling a little bit. The one nice thing about this mask is like when I had it on, it felt like it was really sticking to my face. Like my face was like sucking it in closer to it. The smell is so good on this. It just, like I just want to keep it and smell it. The cool thing is that they all, like I felt a difference with all of them. So I haven't really used a ton of like really high-end products, but if you just want to go to Walmart and pick up a bunch of masks and try them out, I do recommend these because you will feel a difference. Just as my very first impression, you definitely feel something, and you feel something different with each of them. So these are great if you are on a budget and you're looking for a face mask. There's none that I really like would tell you not to get. They all do different things, and I think the ones that I'm about to recommend are just my own personal preference. So in conclusion, I really actually did like almost all of these products. To be honest, my favorite thing out of this whole haul was the Bubbly Charcoal Face Mask. If you're looking for something really cheap and actually works, try them out. I mean, they're only like $2.50. But if you're like me and you are standing at a wall of like a trillion of them and you just don't know which ones to pick, you can definitely choose any of the Sue ones. I think like if you keep using it, find the ones that you like and keep on using it, you will definitely see a difference. Like I was so impressed with this stuff. And I know that you can get face masks at like Sephora and all these other places for like a lot of money, and you just go to Walmart. I'm pretty sure you can buy everything online. I'll leave a link in the description below if you can. Yeah, let me know what you thought of this. I'm going to leave my top 3 of the ones that I really promote or I really did enjoy, and I think that if you're going to try any 3, start with these. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.